What's up, Crispy Worx fam? We are back with another video, and yeah, we have a car feature for you guys today. It is Sunday. It's not as cold as it was yesterday. I am feeling much better than I was, but yeah, today we have something nice. One of my close friends that I grew up with, Shale grew up with him as well. Chris knows him, they went to school together. He has probably one of the hottest polos in Joburg right now for me personally. This is my favorite polo that I've seen. It sounds amazing, and yeah, I'm not gonna tell you guys what it has. You'll see in the video. But yeah, we're gonna be interviewing Aidan today, and yeah, we just want to thank him for bringing his car out today. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and drop the like button on this video. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that b-roll that I shot of the car. Like I said, this is personally my most favorite polo in Joburg at the moment. It sounds amazing. We're gonna play you guys some clips of the car. And yeah, thank you to Aidan again for bringing the car out today.
Thank you for having me.
And yeah, Shale is gonna tell you guys a bit of the relationship we have with Aidan, and then we're gonna go into some mods of the car. So yeah.
Aidan, Cole and I, we go way back. I think back to primary school. Grade 3, we used to play soccer together, play by Flora Albion. So yeah, we have, you'll check in the pictures that we'll show on right now, that you guys can see we go way back. So yeah, we have good memories together.
Yeah, no, man.
This is Aidan,
And this is his car.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, so we're just gonna go into a bit of the mods on the car. There isn't much, but to us this is a lot.
Yeah.
But to him apparently it's not much. Okay, AD, so Polo GTI, which model, which year?
So it's a 2016 Polo GTI, 1800. Stock, they run like 141 kilowatts. As for mods, I just have like a easy lip on it.
Easy.
That's the name of
the lip makes the world of a difference, as you guys saw.
And I sprayed the front part of the bumper black. I sprayed my mirrors gloss black with like hints of metallic.
Yeah, I really like the gloss. It makes a
like small things there.
They make a difference.
Yeah.
Running 185 35 tires. I mean, can't have a race car and a stance car, like it's not working well in terms of grip.
I was gonna ask you, I see the low profile tires. You got the tires. How's the drive with the air? Because I've seen videos of you going fast, so I want to know. I don't know if I was supposed to say that, but I did.
Hey, people know me, they know I'm always driving fast. So. But yeah, like the grip isn't the best. Like the car spins a lot with the stretch tires, but the car goes low with the stretch tires, and that's also what I want. So like, give and take. You can't have the best of both worlds, but I make it work for me. So like, I can't complain.
So this car is your daily, man?
Yeah, this is my daily. Yeah, fuel consumption. It's not the best, but when you're running stage 2 and a full exhaust, and you know, these things, they happen,
Yeah.
so you can't complain.
I love the diffuser. I really do.
It
It's the
looks
first
amazing.
thing. Yo, white and black is my favorite colors, first of all. So
Yeah.
like, this grips me. What have you done?
And so I got my diffuser from Sportmax Design. Like this, their work is quality. Like I love the diffusers. Like I have no complaints. So with the diffuser, all I did was I got the diffuser with the fins. These fins are actually for the Golf 7. They're not for the Polo, but you know, we made a plan.
Didn't you break your first diffuser?
Yeah, I
Was
broke
it
my.
from Sportmax or?
Yeah, also from Sportmax, but at least
Yeah.
we did like an exchange kind of thing, pay a difference.
Okay.
But I don't drive as low anymore because I don't want to break my diffuser
So
again.
that's how it works.
And then I also just added the pinstripe just to break it a bit, because for me, like, the diffuser wasn't standing out as much when it was just black.
Oh, so you added the white?
Yeah, so I
Okay.
put the pinstripes in, just, you know,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Little
it's like good.
touch.
Yeah.
Scratch.
Of course.
Nice.
So I'm running stage 2 software with the full exhaust. I did my software at Ultimate Performance. The guys did a lovely job. I'm happy with my pops and bangs. The car pulls like the car really moves.
Yeah, I've heard it plenty. I've heard it.
Some of the best.
And then I did my full exhaust by Rogue Performance. Also, their work is amazing. Like, I haven't heard another Polo that sounds like this. Like,
So
Quality.
I know myself, but for the viewers, what exhaust are you running straight through?
straight pipe, like
Straight.
from the turbo, the down pipe, right
Straight
straight
through.
through.
Yeah.
All the way
Yeah.
through. Can you imagine how loud this thing must be?
Hey, bro, like,
Taste.
at least my neighbors don't complain. So, but like,
They probably
you know,
enjoy
people
it.
complain, but who cares?
So the air suspension, who inspired you? Who inspired you to get there?
So like, I'm all about the low life, as you can see. So
Yep.
before that I had coilies in, and also was driving flat, but became an inconvenience. Like, I couldn't go to the mall. I had to park outside the gym because there's spikes and I have to walk.
Because
Like-
you dropped it all the way down.
Yes. Like, if there's a bump, I must ask, you know, my passengers, please get out, let me go over the bump.
was
Get
it that
in.
low?
Low life, bro.
Yeah, so I had to go the air route, so, you know, I can go to the mall, I can go to the gym, I can, you know.
More of a life.
Yeah, and also like the ride quality, like driving higher, it's like the quality is way better. Like,
Yeah.
obviously, like the 185/35 tires don't make the comfortability like that much greater, but in terms of ride quality between coilovers and air, I'm gonna have to say that air is way better. Yeah.
On the low life topic,
Yeah.
what happened at VW last year with your undercarriage? Wha- How did that go? Because you went on air last
Yeah.
year.
I was
And
running
you
and
went to VW.
I was running that other wheel, remember?
Yeah, you had a different wheel on.
So, hey, you know the speed bumps at
Yeah, at
Wombat aren't the
Wombat.
best. and,
Hectic.
and you know, I like to drive low,
And
so
you went all the way down. Yeah.
hey, so I was driving flat, and
Yeah.
it wasn't a wise decision. And my undercarriage is still suffering till this day. So yeah, it's just the scars. It's just part of the journey.
So what air suspension setup were you running?
So I'm running at the Bayo setup. I got double bellows in the front and sleeves at the back. I went with double bellows because it's the safer route, especially if you're running high performance vehicle. So you'd want to, you know,
And
go
more
the safer
premium,
route.
more
Yeah,
premium route,
kind
yeah.
of a thing. Yeah. And then I have sleeves at the back. It's not necessary. The back is light, so that's why I went bellows in the front, sleeves at the back. Doesn't go as low, but in terms of quality and being safe, the better route to go. And then I have a 5-in-1 digital gauge. It shows my air pressure, what my tank is on, what each bag is on in terms of pressure. And my compressor, I'm running a Bi-Air 444C. One for now, maybe get another one later, but yeah.
For our viewers out there, just explain the difference between sleeve and double bellow.
So with a double bellow, it's almost like two bags put together, kind of a thing, and they handle the pressure better. Whereas with the sleeve, it's more of a longer sleeve, slender kind of a thing. It would be better if with a high performance vehicle to put the double bellows in the front and rear if it allows. I know with us, with the Polos, the double bellows right at the back also.
Yeah.
That's why we
front
put,
wheel drive,
yeah,
isn't it? Yeah, so,
yeah. So
would be
also
best.
the double bellows holds better as well.
Yeah, for traction.
Yeah, all that. So
Okay.
even if I plan to go bigger turbo and stuff, the double bellows will still be
Hold up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the best part about
for
the double
now,
bellow.
it's-
It's
wait.
the car is set up to handle the performance and everything.
Nice. And then I saw you have some sound in the car. What are you running? It's basic setup, but
Yeah, so I'm running in infinity splits in the doors, JBL tweeters front and rear.
yeah.
Running 2 Targa amps, a monoblock to push my. I only have 8 inches in,
But it kicks.
yeah, it kicks. I didn't
Yeah.
want. I had hectic sound and
Yeah.
it was just a bit much.
Yeah.
So I have 2 8s and then I have another Targa that's running the speakers.
Okay.
So
And then have you had to replace anything on the car, like major issues yet?
touch wood, and
Anything
thank
that
goodness.
Touch wood.
Touch wood. There's no wood to touch.
The three there.
I
Anything
can't
major?
complain. Like
Nothing. yet.
nothing.
Yeah.
Like all the issues I had were minor. Like nothing big. Like really, honestly, nothing to complain about.
General servicing?
Goes for service at VW. Every like service interval.
How much would that cost plus minus?
A service at VW out of warranty, I think they go for 5.5.
5.5.
That
Not
cost-
bad at all.
Small service or is that a big service?
Oh, that's a small service.
What would a big service be?
I
Full
haven't.
service.
I don't want to find out just yet. But
Probably 10,
when I get
10,
there,
15, like Zoop said, 10, 15 maybe.
15 for Zoops and his Scirocco R.
yeah. So
Maybe somewhere
I'll get
there.
back to you guys when I get there.
hopefully not soon, eh?
Yeah, not soon.
And then, okay, so you guys have heard a bit about the car. We just want to know your future plans for the car, what you're looking to do maybe, since it is your daily.
Yeah. Well, hopefully by then it's not my daily anymore,
Yeah.
and I have another.
We already
daily.
know what's coming, we already know the plans.
Uno. So I wanna do backseat delete. I wanna put Ricardos in the front. A roll cage, most definitely. I wanna change my boot setup.
Yeah.
I wanna run 2 compressors instead of just 1. Run new hard lines. Change my box for my subs. Go bigger turbo, run water mid.
I'm not playing around.
Bigger front
We're not
mount
playing
engine.
around.
Yeah,
This is
like
You can't.
We're not playing around.
like everything must happen. Like
Yeah, go big or go.
yeah, like
Okay, so yeah guys, there you heard it from AD. Awesome Polo, we have to say. So obviously I had to go for a drive in the Polo, as you guys know. We need to let the viewers hear a bit of those pops and bangs. And this car, you have to hear it in person to actually hear the sound of it, because videos don't do it justice. Anyway. Listen to the stream. No! No, 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 no.
ask about this. This thing looks like it's
Stock.
like it's come stock like this.
So
It was so well done.
yeah, so when we had the cage, we didn't know actually where we were gonna put it. And we wanted to put it here, but you know, with a stock bench, there's no room to put a cage in, obviously. So
Yeah.
we had a cage 3D printed from Cape Town, and we had them made.
3D printed.
Yeah, bro.
3D printed.
That's quality.
3D printed.
It looks stock.
Otherwise, it was gonna look like almost like a air refreshener or something.
Yeah.
But now it looks perfect, like it's meant to be there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's zero it forward.
Okay guys, so that's all for today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you to Aidan for bringing out the beast today, the Polo GTI. We hope the viewers enjoyed this car. And yeah, Chris,
Please subscribe. It's free. Like us. Follow us on Instagram, crispy_works with an X. Follow Aidan on Instagram. That's Aidan_CL. It will obviously be in the description, and yeah, check us out.